AFCI breakers offer benefits in reducing the risk of electrical fires caused by arcing faults. AFCI breakers are not designed to detect all types of electrical faults, and they can fail to trip in some situations. Considering the limitations of AFCI breakers, firstly, they can be sensitive to certain types of electrical noise and transients, which can lead to nuisance tripping. Secondly, AFCI breakers are designed to detect high-frequency arcing faults, but they may not detect low-frequency arcing faults that are more likely to cause fires. Thirdly, improper installation, such as loose connections or damaged wires, can compromise the ability of AFCI breakers to function properly. AFCI breakers can help prevent electrical fires caused by arcing faults in electrical wiring by detecting and interrupting arcing currents. AFCI breakers can detect arcing faults at an early stage before they escalate into full-blown fires. AFCI breakers provide an additional layer of protection against electrical fires, especially in areas where regular electrical inspections may not be feasible. The arcing fault may have been low frequency below the detection range of the AFCI breaker. The AFCI breaker may have been overly sensitive to electrical noise or transients, causing it to trip prematurely instead of detecting the arcing fault. The loose connection at the AFCI breaker could have compromised its ability to detect and interrupt the arcing fault. Ensure that AFCI breakers are installed correctly according to manufacturer instructions. Regularly inspect electrical wiring, connections, and AFCI breakers to identify and address potential problems. If an AFCI breaker trips, investigate the cause and address any underlying electrical issues. In addition to AFCI breakers, other safety measures such as smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and surge protectors can provide additional protection against electrical hazards.